Welcome to Beyond Pain's distraction technique focus on a sound. Distraction techniques are a useful way to combine relaxation and distraction to manage your pain. In this technique, you need to find either instrumental or relaxation music, or it could be a sound such as a heater or an air conditioner or even the traffic outside. So find your sound. If it's music, start playing it, or if it's a heater or air conditioner or the traffic, just make sure you can hear a constant, frequent sound. Now what I'd like you to do is just concentrate on this sound. Just concentrate on what you can hear. How loud is it? How deep or soft is it? Is there a rhythm, a beat, or some sort of repetitive sound? Just focus on those things with your sound. Concentrate on what kind of things would make the sounds. Is it a particular instrument? Could it be a particular piece of machinery or a part? Just focus on what could create the sound. Listen closely. Listen to the sound and focus on what's making that sound. Take your time and immerse yourself in the sound. Keep your focus on the sound. Okay, so that's the distraction technique, focus on a sound. We hope you found that useful. If you want to learn other techniques, visit our website at www.beyondpain.com.au.